I am going to play get a chicken fight? I don't know. Chick. I don't know. It said chick. Like a chick. I don't know. Yeah, feed. Now. Get to the tower. Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Fight. 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 Sir Clock. Hi, Sir Clock. Fight him. My chicken. Okay, got it. Yay. Good boy, chick. I don't know why, but okay. Got 3 scrap. An egg. Yay. Nest. An egg. Egg. Please. Oh, okay, farmer rooster. Optional. Sam. I think y'all know where I was going. Amanda the Adventure. Hey, it keeps the best of each one. Which one is the best? Oh, chick. I guess. Beep. You're gonna get up to chaos. To chaos. To chaos. I need full of rewards. Yay! I'm just getting all this crap right now. Encourage. What the floor? Okay, I think you're done with that. 300 bucks. Oh yeah, just. Ooh, 2. Okay. Coop. Yeah, sorry that it's so hard. Yeah. It's mine is, but I don't know if he can hear it. If it is mine is. Okay, Rocky. To chaos now. Chicken. Level 7 chicken. Oh. Hey! Oh. Encourage or courage, I don't know. Why is there a whole man in... Oh, I thought that was the chicken. Man, chicken, I don't know. I don't know a thing about this game, so yeah, I thought that. I guess do that. I guess I got the thunder egg. Oh, recycling level 2. Fuck. A thunder egg. Know anything about the thunder egg? Ooh, static chicken. Static chicken. Okay, so star. I don't know anything, but yeah, I did not name my static chicken, guys. I don't. Yeah, I did. Clio, I guess. Tower to give me money. I will be mute for now, guys. Bye. nest egg. Perfect. There is a 10%, and I do. Welp, that one. Welp. Star fuse clay or chick. Okay. Star. Still my star, I guess. And Whelp. Which one will be? Okay, it is Star, but his eyes are now weird. And Star. Chick. Oh no, get in the beam. It upgrades your rooster's genes. Come on, chick. Encourage. Oh, bye, my little rooster. I mean, my chick. Not to chaos yet. Chicken spot him, I guess. Free. I want something free, but I don't have something free. So, yeah. Just eat it already, please. UFO. Hey, no. I stood in it. I will stand inside it. I'm still standing inside it. I won't send you to chaos just yet. Just upgrade your genes. Just to chaos, please. I'll get the most. Encourage. It upgrades my money and upgrades my chicken's gene. Ooh. Level 8. Level 3. What? To chaos. I don't flipping care that you're now level 3. Encourage. Yeah. You may retreat right now. Yeah. Level 9, I guess. Oh. Scratch egg. Farmer rooster. Nope. Again. Ooh. Wait. This is good. Can I put 2 inside? Okay, yeah, no, deploy. Yeah, no, active. Oh, active. active. I thought it was activate. I guess not. It's good. A rebirth. Floor tower. Okay, tower floor, maybe. Tower. Straight to 5. Wait. Wowee. You know what my chicken can? It can get you. See? And now I'm 6. It is a KO right now. But it is a good thing that I did it. To chaos. Chicken, get her. Encourage. Ow! I'm not here anymore. Ow! Is so hard to beat. R. What the flip is R? R is so hard to beat. I don't know why. Maybe I do know. Nope. Welp. Not the best. Well, not the best. Here, come here. Well, not the best. Come here. Oh no, fuse. Fuse them together. Still. Oh, it's Welp this time. 400. Just do this one, please. Oh, is there a nest egg? To chaos. Encourage. Go, buddy. You won't put your Baron weirdo here. Nope. Just get him, my little dude. Did he just kill mine? How dare... Oh, I see why. I see why. Start from the bottom, I guess. Oh, I was at 6, now at 8. 10, I guess. 11. Hey. diamond. Aw, KO. Ooh, I can get to chaos, please. Ow. Bow Bow. Bow Bow is gone. Bow Bow is gone, man. Get out. Get out. Get out. Bow Bow is gone. Bye, Bow Bow. So sad. Bow Bow gone. Chicken boss. Okay, no. Retreat. Retreat. Actually, go get him, my chicken. Go get him, my chicken. Need 5,000 damage, so my chick, just go. 5 times. Yeah, wait until you are back to full HP, please. Please? Yeah, you are to normal HP, so get him. Again. Try it. Try at least something. Just do the abomination thingy. Just do that. I'm gone for a bit. Yeah. Do it, my boy. My boy can do it. The chicken can do it. I know it. Oh, my chicken is, I think, a bit Gano. Yep, my chicken is Gonzo. To chaos. I don't care that my chicken is sad. My chicken needs to do it. Because then I can get a nest egg. Why is it shine like a diamond thingy? You won't come to me. Just do it already. Chaos. Yep, I encouraged you. You can do it, hopefully. Please don't come back. Ooh. My chicken. Is he dead? Yep, he's dead, so. Just try it again, chicken. Just do it. Yay! Oh, scratch egg. Oh. I just need to be 412. Oh, okay. Missions. Oh, well, these, I say... Yep. Oh, I guess I still got something. Give me a nest egg. Scratch egg is, I guess, I hope good. Finally! Slug? I don't know, slugger hen, so I just named it slug. Don't ask why, just click. I don't know. Just trying to do everything what I can. Oh, damn! Bye-bye. Tap to confirm. Bye-bye. Why is it $60? Actually, it is pretty good if it is It is not that good, actually. 3,000. Call. No, start from the bottom. The bottom. Damn. 2 hit. 3 hit. Abstraction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Abstraction. 1, 2. Abstraction. Is it abstraction or obstruction? Obstruction. Astro chick. Okay, let's try and kill him. I did think he is a legendary, or it's just his. Oh, I got hit. No thanks. Okay, so I got 5k. You can just rest. Yay. I got a better coop. I hope you're happy, chick. Chick. I don't know why, but I'll just do this. Just combined. Hey, I actually like this. Whelp. Rare guy. Rare guy, I don't know anything about this. Oh, $91. I don't even have 91. Ooh, what? Thunder egg! Golden goose? Is that a boss too? Chaos, please. Chaos. Yeah, thank you. If somebody comes here, he needs a good guy, like, I don't know. He just almost died because of my chicken. Throw away. Tenders! Tenders! Ah, give me it. Good. Your chicken tenders is, dead. I don't know why your chicken is like that. Tenders? Is his name Tenders because you are gonna cook him later? For treat? That is good. Flock. Thunder. Egg. Epic, please. I don't have you yet, so yay. What I find about inverted. I think you want to be better, so eat up. Because I don't know why you are inverted, but maybe inverted with colors? What? Flock. Inverted what? Quake Rooster. Evil Knight. No, I don't want to rename him. Yay is already good. Yay. You can fuse with a rare guy, Yep. That's a good one. Hey. Yay. Rooster farmer. fuse with Rooster Farmer, I guess. I don't know anything. I'm just doing it. Hey! Why is he another color now? Hey, I like that color. Oh. I want him to be better than him here. Chick. Oh shit. No. No. Nope. My guy is not even that speedy. Nope. Golden Goose. Get him, my yay. My yay. Get him. Hey. Why am I third? Third is good too, but get him please. I want. Hey, yeah, that was all me, guys. That is all me. I'm still third. But okay. Oh. $1. $1 for water? Encourage him. $1 for water? Just give me it. I got the most coins. I got the most coins, man. I just got the most coins. I can't say anything about that. I just got the most coins. It's true. And now I got still a lot of coins. Wow. Oh, I don't. My yay is still going. I got some coins. I want some coins. Oh. Yep, I got a lot of coins. A lot of coins. I got a lot of coins. Oh, and he is dead. He is dead. Retreat! I don't want you to die. Oh. You already died. Okay, everything is him. No. Owie! 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 No. Ow! Don't poop. Go, my little chicken. Owie! Kill him. How is my chicken already dead? Get him, my little chicken. Okay, I'm dead again. You need to be ready for the moment you've been waiting for. Oh, hee. Encourage. Go faster, please. You. No. No. Nyahahaha. Nyahahaha. Retreat. Where is he? Hot egg. Okay. Tower. 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 Fuse him. Oh, yeah. My chicken is a little bit useless. Wow. Okay, I think he's good. Classic rooster. Classic rooster. Sound. 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 7. Boom. 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 Pepper. Floor 80. That was a good time, though. Fuse. Fuse, and what do I get? Chick. That is good. Oh. Whoop-de-doop-de. Okay, so that will be it for today, guys. Bye!